Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this episode, we'll show the process how to apply for the Oklahoma State University 2027 session. This is a fully funded master's scholarship, and there is no application fee for this particular scholarship. We'll show you the detailed application. Before we proceed, let me remind you to subscribe to YouTube channel Full Scholarships and do follow us on Instagram page as well. The link for this Oklahoma State University scholarship is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are in the respective descriptions. Also, in the about section of the YouTube, you can see our website fullscholarships.net or cashmanlook.com. And on Instagram, you can check out the stories or highlights. Link is also given in the about section of the Instagram page here, or you can directly search on Google fullscholarships.net. Once you land on this page here, you can read about this particular scholarship or any of the scholarships you have clicked for. This is the opportunity for international students who are interested in pursuing their graduate studies at United States, and they are invited for the session 2027 at Oklahoma State University. And this will be benefiting you with a $25,000 of annual stipend, health insurance, and tuition fee waiver. It's hosted in USA, and you can apply for postgraduate master's courses. All countries are eligible to apply with $25,000 of stipend, and no IELTS required for this. Deadline is 13th of September 2026 to make this application. So it's a fully funded master's assistantship at Oklahoma State University at Department of Natural Resource Ecology and Management, and this is co-advised, or you can say PI is Dr. Scott Loss and Tim Connell. So they'll be funding you. They will be co-supervisor and supervisors respectively, and this will involve fieldwork analysis and for the campus as well as the location that will be provided. Besides this, research topics will be provided to you so that you choose one of them. And eligibility criteria for this Oklahoma State University scholarship for masters: you need to have a bachelor's degree in any of the relevant fields and have a good self motivation to work and independently do research as well as in the group discussions, have interest in urban ecology and biology, then wildfires. Besides that, you can see other interests that might fascinate you, and you can choose one of them. Benefits for this will be this scholarship will be provided through the TA as a research assistantship under a stipend of $2,000 per month. That is around 25,000 per year. And besides that, will be provided full tuition fee waiver, health insurance. So documents need to meet this is the CV and three reference letters and basic transcripts. How do you apply? Scroll down here, you can see, click here to apply. Click on this button here. Once you tap on that, you can see the uh, posting here: MS Assistantship, Bird Window Collision Research and Outreach, Oklahoma State University. Salaries here, published date and ending date, this last date, and no experience is required. And 40 hours per week. Previous degree you need to have is bachelor's. So that we already discussed. The main part is that how do you apply for this particular opportunity? You can see to apply, please send applications to Scott Laws at this email by September 13. What you should send in the email: a zip file where you merge a PDF of cover letter outlining how you meet the required and preferred qualifications. Second, document CV, and third, contact information for three references. So you merge three PDFs with the cover letter, CV, and a page where three references will be mentioning their contacts. Then you can just create that, compress that PDF file to a zip and send it to scott.loss@okstate.edu. So this mail must reach by 13th of September 2026. Before that, you should send it. And that's the simple process. Three documents: cover letter, CV, and three references. In a single page, will mention details, context of that reference, and you can send that compressed zip to this email here. Now they have both separate labs, so you can visit their labs and check. information for that. Let me just here is the Tim Connell lab, you can see, and here's the prof. So you can check out all details regarding his research group, his research interests, so that accordingly you write your motivation, you write your cover letter, and you show interest in any of his research that is published already. And in opportunities, you can see general graduate study in department, PhD opportunities, UG opportunities. There are lot of positions in this lab as well. Similarly, under the Scott Loss lab, you can see global change, ecology, and management. He's a professor at the Oklahoma State University, and you can check out the positions under this as well. There is a research group and the alumni, or you can say current scholars at this group. You can see postdoctoral scholars, everyone is there, and you can contact with them as well. And in case you directly wish to outreach, contact to the professor, you can go directly. Here you can see the addresses, and the best way is to write an email. Even once you submit this application, beyond that you need to maintain a constant contact with the professors, both Scott Loss and Tim Connell. So you should prepare a strong motivation letter, cover letter, and then a CV in the format that is accepted at Oklahoma State University. So you should check which formats are there at Oklahoma University. Some professors will have their listed CVs. So you just follow that format and send in the same format. Do not just use European Europass or any other local formats. Try to adopt to the same format that professor is used to, so that it is easy for him, so that he fetch your information, and there are high chances that you are already adapting to the professor's norms. So that's one of the plus points for you. Rest, everything is there. In case you have any confusions, visit our website fullscholarships.net. On the right hand side, you can say Instagram chat support. Tap on that. It will take you to our Instagram page here, where it will link this page in the redirection, and it will help us answer your query accordingly, so that you submit application within the time period. In case you need doubts, write in the comment section or directly on the website fullscholarships.net. You can check out the contacts, and yeah, that's the simple process. You can check out other scholarships that are published here, and you can go to all scholarships, and everything is published on this website on daily basis. It's updated regularly, and same on Instagram. If you're not joined our Instagram groups, you can join that, and if you're not followed us there as well, do follow immediately, so that you join the group and you receive links directly in your inbox. And that's it for today. I'm signing off. Fullscholarships.net. Keep watching. Have a nice day ahead.